We've managed to escape from Dover. I feel sorry for all these poor buggers here though, look. Wonder why none of these European drivers want to come here and deliver our stuff to England. I'm not joking, guys, this don't even end. Look, we're literally a couple of miles this now. I didn't start filming at the beginning. Yeah, exactly that, yeah. Trying to get back home, do another load. There's another thing as well, like our production in this country, none of these drivers used to make money going both ways. None of them can take any fresh produce like this because just can't keep it, it'll spoil. Look, miles and miles of this, guys. Brexit, the gift that keeps on giving. That'll never happen. That'll never happen. Project Fear. Add to this is a town like Dover that's already struggling, it's on its knees, and the few people that potentially would go shopping there, they ain't going to get in this queue that goes on for miles and miles and miles. This is bonkers. I've been filming for 3 minutes. It's been like this since 5 o'clock this morning. At 7 I got out, looked out the window. I think I put the first video up from the hotel at about, what, 9 o'clock.
Like I say, you can see why people don't want to come over here.
Absolutely. Why would anyone want to do this for a living and come over here? Deliver goods to our supermarkets. So therefore we don't have as many products, therefore they squeeze the nut and put it up, class it as a cost of living crisis, while all the time putting on the front pages it's about the people coming over here in dinghies with brown faces. I honestly don't know how long this goes on for. I just remember him saying, no, Project Fear, that'll never happen, and I was like, oh, it absolutely will. You know, the top academics said it would happen, and here you are. This is the harsh reality of it. So if you're still under that preconception that Brexit's the best thing that ever happened in this country, you need to give your head a massive fucking wobble. is unreal. It's just miles and miles and miles of it. There aren't enough ferries left to take all these lorries, is there? How many, in all honesty, how many of these fit on a ferry? I wouldn't know. Anyone mates ever used to work on the ferries? Absolutely insane. They ain't covering this in the news. You see, obviously, you see a little bit of them on the news because you think, God, that's a big queue. They're not giving you a full. We're up to 6 minutes now and about 10 miles of nose-to-nose trucks. I wouldn't want to do that for a living. I'd be like, no, you're alright, I'll just deliver to Spain or somewhere else, thanks. England, deliver to England? Nah, you're alright, mate. Oh, I'll do it, but I'm going to charge you 10 times the amount of money. Look, guys, this is just mental. I don't know, I want to stop filming, but I just can't because it's never ending. Absolutely insane. Yeah, I'm going to stop. So we're up to 8 minutes now. That's just fucking, just mind blowing.